girl, it's Sonia and welcome back to my channel. I'm super pumped today, obviously. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing all of my current Amazon favorites and finds for all things nails. I do my nails often, like a lot. How they haven't fallen off, I have no idea. I mean, there's some wood. Please don't fall off, please don't fall off. It's my favorite thing to do. I also have like a nail biting problem. I mean, like this video if you do too. This is why I have so much practice doing my own nails, because I'm constantly having to do them. But I'm gonna be sharing a lot of products, so hopefully you guys are comfortable. I have my whole little trolley back here. This is my little nail station on wheels, girl. We're gonna go over it all. So before we do that, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let's get into it. And before I talk your ears off, or your face off, I mean, I don't know what you're doing while you're watching this video. You could be cleaning your house and listening to me ramble or whatever. But before I get into it, I did want to let you guys know that I do have an Amazon storefront, so if you guys have not already followed me there, the link will be down below along with everything that you see in today's video. I will shut the hell up now and get into the products. Okay, so first up, and my favorite and most used product would have to be from Beetles, and this is their nail tips and glue set. So inside it comes with nail tips to create similar manicures like the one I have here. It comes with the nail gel glue, and that gel glue can only be used with a light, and it comes with a light as well. And currently it's under $20. So if you guys were looking for a reason to purchase, it's now. This is not a lamp, this is actually a dryer. So if you do use regular nail polish that you have to wait some time for your nails to dry or it's in there going, you can skip that using something like this. This is under $10, and you can see the fan up here. It's also battery operated, so this can be something that you can travel with. There's also enough space here for your feet. So if you needed to do your pedicure and you wanted to dry your toes there as well, you can do that. So I thought that was cool. And again, it's under $10. Speaking of lamps, I might as well show you guys the one that I have. This is typically what I use for paint only. When I'm actually doing my extension, I'm going to be using a quick dry light, and it looks like this. It's got a clip on it, so you can clip it onto anything. I use like a table tray, and I just clip it to one of the sides, and you can twist and bend this however you want. You can also clip this to the table if you want something more secure. But it's great, and it's fast acting. It's not a light that turns on as soon as your hands are underneath. There is a button that you have to press to control it. It's here, it's like a little click, click, click situation. And it's USB. So the great thing about this is that it can be portable, because I just use like a portable battery pack. This is the lamp that I use quite often when wanting to cure one nail at a time, especially if I'm traveling or again doing my nails on the couch and I'm not filming. It's just easier and faster for me to do it like this. I love these portable little lights, especially if you're allergic to heat like I am. I would suggest using gloves. So here are some gloves here. I've also seen people rub like sunblock on their hands. Gloves are just so much easier. I mean, you're going to repeatedly put your hands through the light, and this is why I don't use my hooded lamp as much, just because first of all, I'm allergic to the heat, but second of all, you can see the difference, the color in your hand after getting your nails done. This one here actually comes in a set that I got, I think it was at Target for like $35, $40, and it came with a top coat, one color, and this lamp. So this is very similar, and this is under 10 bucks. So way more affordable, and in my opinion, I think it's cuter. So I can't wait to use this. This is great too if you have really long nails, because with this one, if your nails are longer than mine, they're not gonna fit in here. Like I'm already hitting the back there, but this allows you to cure a longer nail. So I thought that was cool. Another one of my favorite products that I have to just keep buying over and over again would have to be the Beetles nail glue. I have so many tutorials using it. In the kit that I showed you to begin with, it's a smaller version of this. These are the full bottles, and you get 2 of them for, I believe, like just under $20. But they're worth it because they last me so long. You only need a little bit of it, and it does stretch underneath the nail quite a bit. So check them out. This is a cheaper alternative to the Beetles nail glue and it works just as well. I believe this is under $8. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable, check this out. My favorite top coat would again have to be from Beetles. It's one of my favorite nail brands at the moment. And this is one of my new bottles, and then I got a backup as well just in case they did sell out, because I know that they're super popular right now. If you're looking for a nail strengthener, I do recommend this one here from Nail Aid. This is their Keratin 3-Day Growth Strengthener Polish, and I've used others from like OPI and maybe Seche Vite, but this one is only a few dollars and it works really, really well. The health of my nails underneath these guys have seriously improved, and I've already gone through a bottle. If you have some rough nails, maybe after removing your acrylics or some gels with your teeth or something, and you messed up your nail beds and are really thin, give this a try. I think it's under $5, like super cheap. Speaking of removing your nails and gel properly, you want to soak them. You don't want to just peel them off like I do with my teeth, because I know a lot of places even charge you to take the nails off properly, so you can do it yourself. All you do is remove that gel top coat. That way the acetone has something to attack. So you would fill these little cells up. There's 2 of them because you've got 2 hands, right? And you put your fingers in here and you let them soak, and they will literally like turn into jelly and you can scrape them off. So this is something that you might want to add to your kit if you are starting to do your nails at home. Here's another one. One of my subscribers turned friends, Jessica, hey girl, she sent these to me and I was so excited because I needed them, because she knows I was like biting my nails off with my teeth. And it's the same situation as the other ones. You put your hands in here like this, you put the acetone in these little wells, but underneath here you're supposed to put hot water, and that helps the process move along faster. Recently, I actually used this to soften up my cuticles. So I added the cuticle product to my nails, and then I soaked them in here with just like warm soapy water. And so it's versatile. You don't have to use it for just removing your polish. You can do it for your manicure as well. So speaking of cuticle removal, I use this, it's called Blue Cross, and it's a cuticle remover. This is something that I've seen in salons when I go get my nails done. So I'm like, oh, it's really starting to feel like a salon in here, girl. And it worked really well. It actually removed more than just my cuticles. It actually removed like a lot of like gunk, more like dirt oil that built up on my nails that I didn't realize was there. So I really like this product, and this was actually a lot cheaper than I thought, well under 10 bucks and worth every penny. Moving on to crusty feet, which after this video I really need to do a pedicure again, so I'm not sure if I want to film that, because I showed some bug bites that I got recently and people are like, you're showing your feet for free. So if there's any freaks out there that want to pay me for my feet, I will take your money. I will. I'm just saying. I'm not gonna show my feet in this video, so sorry. If you're waiting for it, it's not gonna happen. But I did want to show you guys a couple of products that I really liked and that were super helpful with turning my crust out. I would suggest this one. It's called the Foot Peel Mask for Baby Soft Feet. And I know it says it takes like 2 weeks for your, the skin to fall off. That's if you don't scrub it, you don't do anything to help it fall off. For me, I put it on for an hour as I was watching some show that's on TV, and then I soaked my feet in some warm water afterwards, and then I used a pumice stone to scrub off the dead skin that was falling off. The next day, I seen a big difference already, but there was still some skin that needed to come off. So I soaked my feet again, scrubbed it, and I was done. So 2 weeks, not gonna happen. I could not survive. I'm always in sandals, so I would be so embarrassed to show my feet, and that helped a lot. Now, if you need something that will help you as you are in transition of like getting rid of the calluses, depending on how rough it is back there, I do recommend this product from O'Keeffe's, and it's their Healthy Feet. Now it comes in either this tube or in like more like a thick lotion form, but this one is kind of like, it looks kind of like hair putty. Girl, I'm already hitting the bottom. it works really, really well. I don't even use this because I feel like I need something more hydrating, and this is where it's at. I might as well mention it. I did get this tub. It comes in different colors, but I just got it because, you know, it's a neutral color and it's not such an eyesore in my house, especially when I just don't like, I don't know, even this. I feel like these are like too bright for me, but I mean, after I use it, I just put it away anyways. I did get a few new polishes that I wanted to share with you guys. The first one would have to be the one that I'm wearing right now. It's like a milky white, and it's from this brand called ITUTU. I did need 2 layers of the white because I think one was like too streaky, but 2 is perfect with a top coat, and I love it. It's not like white out white, but it's like the perfect white. I do have a couple of swatches of polishes that I wanted to share with you guys. The first one would have to be these 4, and these 4 came in a set. It looks like they're trying to copy the brand Gelish with the packaging, but I mean, do your thing, okay? I believe that these were maybe around like $12 for 4 of the full polish bottles, which is great. It's a really good deal. And you get these hot summer colors. Like most gel colors, you need to wipe with alcohol and then you put your top coat on. So I mean, that wasn't really a big deal. I did get like this shimmery blue color, and I've been seeing it all over social media. I don't know why I got blue. I thought I would just show it to you guys anyways. It kind of looks like the cat eye or like the angel eye, except for it's just like all over the polish, just no magnet needed. And it does come in a bunch of different colors, but I decided to go with blue. I also got this Beetles neon green. It's a full bottle, and I actually really, really love it. It's probably gonna be the next color that I use before summer is over and fall is like in our face. And sometimes, well, in most cases when you're using these neon shades, you have to have a white base to get that true color, and you didn't in this case. So I really, really like that. Definitely go with the smaller bottles in sets versus the full bottles unless you know you like it. In this case, I really like Beetles formula. And I did want to show you guys my cart. Let me take this camera off. I push this around from room to room depending on when I do my nails. But this 3-tiered situation with wheels is really handy for, I mean, most things that you are doing, like maybe crafts or what have you, but I use it for my nails, and I have these little plastic bins as well to hold, like these ones have like chargers and nail lights and things like that. I have these other little bins that keep all of the liquids for my dip nails. I even bought these off of Amazon as well. To really, I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't do anybody's nails, not even professionally, so this is just for me because I'm extra and I had time. I have a swatch of all the polishes that I own, so I thought that was cool. So if you guys want to check these out, I'll make sure to link those as well. I also have all of my nail tips, either tips or full cover nail tips. They're all different sizes. Those are in there. I also definitely recommend using pure 100% acetone because that is what removes polish, even the reds and oranges that tend to stain, the best. Here is a little book that I have all of my nail decals. The link to my Amazon storefront will include my nails list, and you guys will find all the stickers that I purchased, along with these little containers that have all my tools, buffing blocks, nail files, and I have so much stuff here for my nails. And I know it's dark in here, but I wanted to show you guys my collection of powders for my dip nails. These are all regular polishes on this layer, and then we have all of my gel polishes down here. I think that's all of what I recently purchased or really recommend that you guys try. So again, if you guys have any requests on some future videos, please let me know in the comments below. I do read them, I do respond to them, and I do take them in consideration when making content for the future. So it's super, super helpful when I hear from you guys because I don't want to make things that you guys don't want to watch. All right, so let a girl know. And until then, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.